Hello everyone, my name is Jake and today we're going to ask our staff some random questions. Samahan niyo ako. Tara, ano pong name niyo, sir?
Aldo Jesse De Castro.
Hello sir, ano po yung job or role niyo ngayon dito sa Guerrilla?
3D designer.
Last question po, if you've given a chance to give advice sa younger generation ngayon, ano po yun?
Just finish your school studies first bago ka mag-decide na mag-work.
Ayun, thank you Sir Alde. Hello po, what are your names po?
My name is Trisha. I'm Lay.
Can you give us 2 words po that will explain your work?
Patience and hard work.
Patience and hard work.
Ang 2 words ko is understanding, tsaka building rapport. Actually, 3 words.
Okay lang po yan. What was the last thing that made you smile?
This morning, kasi meron kaming na-close na 1 seat. So, it means na we have another opportunity na nabigay sa job seeker. Ang last thing na nagpangiti sa akin today is yung itong 3 PM habit namin. Ito, nagre-recess kasi kami every 3 PM. Then nakikita namin yung co-workmates namin, papauwi na sila, then yung babatiin namin. Siyempre, nangingiti kami.
Hello sir, excuse me po. Quick questions lang po. Ano pong name niyo?
Renzel.
Sir Renzel, what was the last thing that made you smile po?
I think when I finished the project.
When you finished the project. With that po, describe your work in 2 words po.
I think first it's fun and it's full of calculations.
Full of calculations. Ano po bang work niya sir?
I'm an HVAC designer and project engineer.
Ayun, thank you po. Hello po ma'am. Excuse me po. Quick questions lang po. Ano pong name niyo? Hello, Miss Pam. Can you give us 2 words that will describe your work?
2 words that will describe my work. Fun and fulfilling.
Fulfilling. Last question po. What's your role for job?
Customer service coordinator.
Alright po. Thank you po. Hello po. Ano pong name niya?
Luisa.
Hi, Miss Luisa. Can you give 2 words po that will describe your work?
Ang number 1 is fulfilling because I serve people in Australia. And number 2 is it's a great work.
It's a great work po. Okay po. Question lang po. If you won ₱1 million, what will you do with it po?
Ang gagawin ko if I won 1 million, yung kalahati nun, i-invest ko siya. Yung kalahati is bibili ako ng lot.
Ayun po. Okay po. What was the last thing that made you smile?
Nung nabasa ko yung message ng mahal ko.
Ayun. Last po. Ano pong role nyo ngayon?
Sales support.
Ayan. Thank you po.
If you're looking for a job, we have an open roles for you. And don't forget to like and follow us on our social media accounts. Apply now!